In this video we will discuss about the rules for naming a function. The function name must be shorter in length and its name should be meaningful, which helps to understand the purpose for which we are creating the function. Function name should be in lowercase letter. If we need to have a function name consisting of multiple words, then we can follow two approaches. Firstly, we can use underscore to separate the words. Secondly, we can use camel case starting with the second word. A function name cannot contain special characters anywhere such as $symbol or exclamation symbol, etc. We can have a function which contains numbers. The number can be anywhere in the function name except the first character of the function. A function name cannot contain a Python keyword or a reserved word. Let's test the rules for naming a function using a program. If the function name needs to have multiple words, then we can use underscore as used here. Func_name. This is a valid name. Similarly, if don't want to use underscore, then we can use camel case as used here as funcprint. This is also a valid name. We cannot have a special character in the function anywhere. Adding $symbol in front of the function. As we can see that it's red marked, which means that there is an error. Adding the $symbol in middle, and still we can see that there is an error. Similarly, we cannot have number as the first character. Adding 1 before the function name. It's also giving an error. Adding numbers in between the function name and now error is not getting displayed. We cannot have Python reserved word as function name. When defining the class name as class, which is a keyword, then it gives error. Similarly, adding finally keyword is giving error. When executed, we can see that it's giving error as invalid syntax. However, when we add number 1 after finally, then the error is gone as it's not a keyword anymore. So, these are the rules for naming a function in Python.